Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Today I would like to discuss with you the question that always come up to me. Ang tinatanong niya is, what if I know I am legally married in the Philippines, and when I went abroad, I have established a genuine, serious relationship with somebody else outside of my marriage. So nagkaroon ng extramarital affair. Will I be sued if I return to the Philippines? Can I be sued? Pwede ba akong idemanda? Pwede ba akong ihabla ng aking, sabihin na natin, soon-to-be ex? Kasi hindi pa naman talaga ex. Kasi hindi pa naman kayo siguro annulled or divorced. Pwede ba niya akong idemanda sa Pilipinas? And the answer, you will be surprised that under the Philippine law, the answer to that question is no. No, because adultery and concubinage, which is an extramarital affair really, was committed outside of the Philippine jurisdiction. So if the crime, we shall call this a crime, under the Philippine law, it is an offense, an imprisonable offense. If it was committed in the Philippine jurisdiction, in the Philippine soil, yes, you can be sued. But because the crime was committed outside of the Philippine jurisdiction, i.e. United States, United Kingdom, Middle East, etc., then no, you cannot be sued because there is a principle of territoriality. Okay? So at least that answers some of the questions that I have been receiving. Thank you so much.